Hi guys, it's Sandy here. Today I'm doing a huge Takealot haul video, probably the hugest haul I've ever done on my channel. And if you're thinking, okay, but Sandy, where did you get the money for this? Because I thought you were broke. Well, yeah, I actually won a Takealot voucher. TikTok recently had the whole Spirits Up Battle Challenge and it was divided into 4 categories. I won the category for Top Popular Creator in the Swag Up category, so that was for beauty and fashion. And I won a 5,000 Rand Takealot voucher, and this is kind of the stuff that I bought with that voucher. And some more exciting news, because I won the Swag Up competition, I'll get a feature in the Huisgenoot magazine, so I'm really excited for that. Hopefully that'll be published sometime in September, but I'll let you know the date. So instead of like just buying random things, I thought I would spend the money that I won through social media back into my social media, because I never really invested in buying equipment for recording and my videos. So let's just get into this. I did open some of the stuff already because I was just so excited, but let me just show you what I did end up getting. One of the most important things that I needed for a really long time was a ring light, and I thought, okay, well, they sell ring lights on Takealot, so let me just order one. I have heard, mixed reviews about the ring lights, but for a beginner level, I think, this ring light that I got is appropriate. Now I am currently using it for this video, so I'll maybe insert a picture of what it looks like or a little video clip later on. It is quite flimsy, I'm not gonna lie. For beginner level, I think it will help me, and the stand is really nice as well. And speaking of stand, I got this National Geographic tripod stand. I thought this sounded like it would be really good quality. I did have a sneak peek into this, and the sad thing is there's no phone mount, so I have to buy that separately before I can use this. But it comes in this really nice bag with the logo on. Like, how nice is that? And here we have the stand, and again, here's the logo on the stand, and it looks really durable. It's like matte black, because yeah, for the past 2 years I've literally just been using lunch boxes. I stack them. Another really important thing that I needed to buy is a microphone, and I decided to go with the C01U Pro microphone. So this is a USB microphone. I can just plug it into my laptop and start recording with it, because all of my previous videos have just been recorded with my phone's microphone. Means I can do more ASMR videos. And then to use with this microphone, I bought a pop filter. This is the Samsung pop filter, although I did not get this from Takealot. I bought this locally at a store called Lee Gold Music, and this just goes on top of the head of the microphone just to prevent the P's, when you speak, to prevent that like crackling sound. And of course, if I'm going to get a microphone, I am going to need a microphone stand. So yes, this is also from Takealot. It was quite cheap. It was around 250 rand. Okay, I guess I can try and open this. So this microphone that I bought does come with a microphone like stand, but it's the desk one. So you never know how you're going to record a video. So I thought it would be a good idea, you know, if I want to record in different parts of the house. Because, you know, I record a lot of different types of videos. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I think some parts are plastic. The stands, the legs and stuff is metallic. So I needed some earphones, and these Skull Candy earphones were on sale. So I thought, oh, Skull Candy, that's a good brand. Let me just get this as well. And then I have this little phone attachable selfie light. It looks really small. It looked bigger in the picture. I didn't open this box yet, so let me open this now. Can this thing not? Okay. Oh. There we go. I think I got the pink one. Oh wow, this is so small. No man, they made this look so big on the website. Okay, here's the actual light, and it just comes with some instructions and a little charging cable. Let's see. Okay, well, it's got a really nice clip. Ooh. Oh, okay, that's the brightness. Oh, 1, 2, 3. That is quite sad, actually. No, I'm thoroughly disappointed. Doesn't even change colors. The last things in here is makeup. Now let me just give you some context. I don't really use Essence Cosmetics makeup. I don't know why, I just don't own a lot of their products. So it's a good idea to get more Essence products, but also content for videos was to order mystery boxes. But before I show you the mystery boxes that I ordered this liquid eyeliner, Essence Super Last 18-hour black liquid eyeliner. And I must say, I'm slightly disappointed with this tip. It's not pointed, it's slightly rounded. So I don't know how that's gonna work out. And then I have the Lash Princess mascara. Now this thing is just like super famous. Everyone goes on about it and how amazing it is. And I've never used it. So I thought, you know what, let me get it, let me try it and see if it actually works. Yo. And then lastly, we have all the Essence mystery boxes. I will record a whole separate video with those products. Now, I didn't just get this one lipstick Essence mystery box. I got the unicorn mystery box as well. And the 10-piece mystery box. And the mermaid mystery box. And the matte liquid lipstick mystery box. So I purchased all 5 Essence mystery boxes that is currently on sale on Takealot. So that will be fun unboxing. So do make sure to stay tuned for those videos. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!